What's good, Che Posse? Today, stay tuned if you want to see how I turn my daughter's hair from that matted mess to this beautiful kid-friendly style. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You already know it's about to be another premiere. So today what I'm going to show you guys is how I take my daughter's hair when it is in this kinky state and I pretty much transform her hair. So first things first, I use the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Argon Oral Baby Wash and Shampoo. I shampoo my baby's hair. I wet her hair with a red cup, okay? So I use just like a regular cup to get her hair nice and wet. Yep, put water in it. As you can see, I fill it up, not all the way. Oops. I just take her head and tilt her back slightly. Yeah, she doesn't really like that much. She's like, stop it, please. No. Ah! And yeah, so I rinse her hair. Just a mommy tip, the best time to shampoo baby's hair is when baby is in the bath. Also, the best time to style baby's hair is during nap time when baby is asleep. Voila! Baby's curls have been replenished. As you can see, she does have nice little curls inside of her hair already. Her hair texture, I would assume, is maybe about a 3C and a 4A, probably somewhere along those lines. And I like to use the TRESemme Luxurious Moisture Conditioner. This is for dry hair. My daughter's hair does get dried out very easily, so this conditioner, a nice generous amount of it, definitely restores the moisture back into her hair. I do not use anything designed for babies when it comes to the conditioner because I do not feel that it creates enough saturation and penetrates down into the hair cuticle to actually restore her natural curl pattern. I detangle baby's hair with what's called a denim brush. It's also known as a 9-row brush. With this brush, I start from the ends and work my way to the root, detangling her hair until her entire head has no more kinks, tangles, or knots in it. This brush allows me to detangle her hair with the fullest potential. The conditioner to sit on my daughter's hair for 10 minutes, like a deep conditioner, so that her curls can definitely pop in. So this is what her hair looks like once I am done with the complete process. As you can see, her hair is so curly, so full, so beautiful. Pat on the back to mommy. Pat on the back to mommy. I did have to style baby's hair off camera. What I do use in her hair is Eco Style, the creamy kind. And then I also use Sulfur 8 Medicated, which she's holding in her hand. I didn't want to snatch it, make her have a fit. But I use those two products to style her hair. I use rubber bands and beads. I also use hair scrunchies. So pretty much I just take her hair, put the rubber bands at the root, two-strand twist, add the beads, secure with the rubber bands, and I put the 2 scrunchies in for her 2 ponytails. And that's it. Baby's hair is done. It took me about an hour to do so because she was moving. She does not like to sleep when I do it. Now, if you made it this far, you need to join the Che Posse. Hit that subscribe button now.